What do you reckon, guys? Should we go in? We've had enough, yeah? Right, we're back in the engine. What are we trying to get? Trying a new idea. So, listen up. Listen up, homies. Oh. Okay, so what do we learn from that? Oh god, we learned that cars smoke. Jesus, I got crap in my side. Don't know whether or not attack or not. Okay, well I can't get to the throttle and the ignition won't stay on. So what I need to say is, yeah, she's a runner. Yeah, she runs. Yeah, she sounded like a V8. So I'm going to stop it there and say, look, I can't do too much more on this side, so what I'm going to do is go after the brakes. So probably I'll bring you back when we're doing braking. Right guys, okay, so this is just, because we'll say you never see anything, and you won't. But this did the typical thing. It's had all new flexi pipes on it, and obviously that Wilson was leaking. Well, it wasn't actually, but hey, it pretend it was. And we had the shoes all worn out, but I couldn't undo it. So in the end I had to take the pipe off there and unthread the whole pipe because it was seized solid in the end of the pipe. So that was just for good measure. Now, the handbrake mechanism, get it back together, well, you couldn't make this up, mate. I tell you, it is absolutely almost impossible. Now, you can see it dripping, that's because I haven't tightened it up yet. So I don't maybe get the old fluid out. So this has got to hook into there. Obviously it's got to hook over there first. Good. No, over there, but you won't be able to turn it off my hand. Can I get it back on my hand now? I bloody can't. I've already trapped my finger once. I know there's a tool for this. I haven't got it. Well, I have probably got it now. I can't even remember it. I've forgotten what tools I remember, to be honest with you. Bloody because as I pull it out, it pulls away. What is someone going to say? All you can do is track your fingers. I already have tracked my fingers. You shouldn't be doing this because this should be going together like butter. It's not. If this one is playing like this, what chance something I've got with the other ones? I haven't got much chance, have I? Just tell me. I don't envy Stag mechanics, I tell you. Well, you didn't see it, though, did you? Can you see what I'm looking at? See what I'm looking at? Can you see it there, guys? Look. That stupid thing there, to get that stupid spring in. Stupid springs. Because they're true. And obviously, very strange. Now this one is a little bit more tricky. Unfortunately, all the springs are on the outside, which is great, but it's not that great because of this, look. Now, obviously, to all the people who remember, this little serrated on the springs, and you got to get these pins out and you got to put it into the shoe. So that's going to be a little bit more work, which yeah, you just can't believe some of this. Yep, there we go then. So start by checking that because I'll get a leader. Right, you give this one a brush up. I don't want to take this off to find out what's going on, but I wonder how many people over the years just went, ah, sod it, just put it back together. I probably would have done. If I didn't have the brake shoes and I did have the cylinders, I won't want to do this. Ask yourself that. I mean, there's sometimes I do things which I don't need to do. Like, I don't need to do this, to be honest. But I'm doing it because if I don't do it, who's going to do it? Okay, I'm out of camera now, guys, so you just see rubbish and do it. It's so hard. If I turn you around, you might see it. Right, on the cluttered workbench. I'm taking this apart. Now there's a little, on the look of it, it's a little copper washer, pretty big one. Then there's a little dock lock in place. Now this one. Get ready. Get ready for it all to go flying. Can you see it all? Do you want to see it? Are you interested? Camera going. Oh no, stay away. Right, okay, so I'm going to change that. That's the plan. Nothing simple in this line, is it? That way. Just need a gentle cleaning up with the old brush of wireness. I'm just going to say something. Can you imagine all the mechanics over the years that have done this and they've got dementia? And we go, and they might remember how to do it. Isn't it weird? They might look at this and they might sort of turn it on in the old home. And while the music's playing, you know, I think. There's no copper washer on that one, guys. Why doesn't it have a copper washer on that one, I wonder? Well, unless it fell off, you spoiled it. I never spoiled it. I'm not putting one on it because it wouldn't have enough room. To be honest, I should have done something like that as well. I have done. So don't say I didn't do something like that now. I did. Anyway. So that's your handbrake. That's what tightens your handbrake quadrant up, this stupid thing. And you adjust it. That's funny. That was our idea of handbrake adjustment. Self-adjusting. You know, everyone else came up with far better ideas except us. We came up with that. Bit of a shame. Anyway. Yeah, see, she's fully adjusted. American cars have all this sort of crap on them. I don't think they've got bigger, better, more chocolatey. Two. So if I start there, and obviously as she used the handbrake over the years, gradually that thing there will allow it to come up. So for the minute we'll have it right back. Oh, we've still got the cobweb, look. Right, okay, so that's done. So now we turn back round, camera turns back round. Oh, the camera doesn't fall over. You watch it. Now I did do, I know, oh no, I know. I did, guys, I did try well, how do you say, I did try a, I don't know, anyway, but for the minute, I'm assuming that's going to go there. I don't know, does it? All right. We might have a problem, Houston. I did know how that went. But for the minute, let's just look at something. Sorry. You wouldn't believe it, they share the hole. They share the same hole. That's there, comes in there. Like how? Like how you do this, I don't know. But you do. Not there, that one. That one. Which is giving me all sorts of earache. It's got to go into there. I've actually, you won't believe I've got some new springs as well. I don't fancy trying to use them. And everybody watching is probably cringing and going, what are you doing? And I'm going, I don't know. I knew it'd be easy. And obviously, being a British car, we've got these incredibly clever things. Which are these? Now, I don't know if you get these. What a farce. You come through here. I mean, it's just something that's just something more hassle. Look, it comes through, and you got this. What you're supposed to do. Now, obviously, if I'm going to look at these, they're either ripped off, because what tends to happen is they tear off. I've actually got the tool to do them, but can I bother to get it? No, I can't. No, this is trying to bite my fingers. You watch this for a game of soldiers. This is just a farce. I don't know. Oh, trying to let you see, and I can't see what I'm doing. That's brilliant. But you see, and I can't see. Right, I can't put them in, but look, when you're in the way. But basically they go in and then you turn them, and that locks these back to the back plate. It's an absolutely stupid idea. Probably one of the most stupid ideas I think anyone's ever come up with. Because obviously as they get old, when you try to put the drum off, the drum jams, and these rip off, the drums come sideways and jam solid. And everyone who's ever done it knows exactly what I'm talking about. So, for the minute, you're not going to see me putting them in, because I'm going to get the tool to do it. If I can find the right tool, then I'll do it in seconds. rather than clap me out trying to show you lot. So, because you're probably not interested anyway. If you are interested, well, then obviously I'll show you another time. Now, another here, question in the comments, for the people who know what we're talking about here. Years ago, I always used to pour a bit of petrol and set fire to the brake drum to clean them out. But I suppose now we have things like brake cleaner, don't we? So, I mean, do you still do that? To burn the oil, well, especially when the end seals have been leaking, you get engine oil, gearbox oil over the drums, which isn't on these. They're just scabby inside. So, do I burn them out? Probably not. I probably won't. What I'll probably do is not burn them out. But I can't believe that's leaking so much. It is. You won't believe what's leaking. Well, you would if you could see it. Believe it. Right, guys. So, apart from the fact that I haven't got the cover plates in, the actual spring clip retainers, if you want to bear with me for a second, I'll get them. But if you want to stay and watch a whole lovely thing dry out. See, I took a chunk out of my finger with the spring before I even turned you on. I get that, turn you on. You can ring my bell. Who sang that? Donna Summer. Was it Donna Summer? I don't know. But anyway, guys, so, alright, I'm going to turn you off, and I will say that when I come back, you'll either be watching that or you won't. Or if I turn it back on, we'll see. In a minute. In the words of the immortal, I'm back! Right, now let's see whether I can do it. Found the tool, bought it years ago when I was young. I used to be able to do it so easy in those days. Now you spend hours trying to get it in. But there it is, that's what it looks like. I knew I'd find it, I just didn't know where it was. I knew it was up on the top of the toolbox or up in a special, I don't know, like, or anything like you've got a special equipment tool drawer that's special tools. For all the tools over the years you had to make to fit things. That is one of them. Anyway, so yeah, I don't know this. But look, bring it right here. So, with the help of my special tool, they're on. Brake juice, one side done. God, anyway. So now what can I have? I can have a celebration. I can have a celebratory cider. Can I have a celebratory cider? Yes, I can. Yes, I can. Yes, I can. Oh, sorry, see me. Yeah. Well, they really should be sort of skimmed, I think, but there are bare metal in them. I think they'll clean. Probably wear a lot of the short to start with, but they'll clean up. Anyway. I don't know whether you do it. Sometimes you do a job and you think, well, I don't want to be doing that. And then you think, well, I've got no choice. If I don't do it, there's no one else can do it. So there's only me. And then I sort of steal up and think, well, all right, I've done it now. So why am I worrying? I've done it. It wasn't as, in the end, it wasn't half as difficult as I thought it was going to be. So I have to save myself. Sometimes I make problems for myself by going, I don't want to do that, and I don't bother. And then I think I should have just done it. It wasn't that difficult to do. Why do I make it difficult? And you do make it difficult because you don't want to do it. So you immediately look for excuses as to why you don't have to do it. Unfortunately, that doesn't always work, because when you're doing these sorts of things, it's supposed to be fun, and it is fun. I don't know whether you guys look at your car sometimes and hate it. When I do, I look at it and I think, At least they're all fucking rubbish. They're all scrap. They all need work. They all need stuff that, yeah, alright, it's easy. But the reality is, it's not easy for everybody. Because I just make and pick things that cause me fun to sort out. And I do think that, yeah, well, I enjoy doing it. Oh, dear. Anyway, okay, so cheer up. Right, so we're coming back. Next job, next side. Let's have a go at the next side. See you soon.